Update about Uzobiomokpa Atiagahore, all of una know as Sarah T-Box. Na me, the word update, and I give her that name. Uzobiomokpa Atiagahore. Now, there is a picture and a video where they trend online when Uzobiomokpa post for her YouTube or her Facebook, even her TikTok. For this life, some people they go be your brother or your sister, but they not get good mind when you get follow them. They not get on with you. Now, Uzobiomokpa una know as Sarah called me. That was inside June. Begin beg me, say, if pikin won't do birthday for June. But later, he can't tell me, say, he postponed the birthday because of one or two things happened to a baby. They have to go do operation. She can't postpone the birthday from June to July 12. She called me more than 3 times, sent me record, begged me, say, brother, please bring your family, your wife and your children, so that may una can celebrate my pikin birthday with me. I wish my wife say she not go. Based on wetin Sarah don't do to her, not be once, not be 2, not be 3 times. But I beg her, and Sarah still call for me to give her phone so that she go talk to her herself. Then I really give my woman phone, and Sarah beg her, make it follow me and the children mo gather come outside for her pikin birthday, 1 year birthday. After the call, I still calm my woman mind down. Oh, forget everything when it happen. Let's go. I will buy ticket, pack wife and children. Now we'll go there. Not be she give me money when I take buy ticket. Even the money when I spend for her house is more than 100 something euro, which I will explain. We reached there. That day when we reached there, San Fermin, that they do festival for Pamplona, which everywhere block. When we come down for Pamplona, it take us 2 hours plus before we finish our house. We are not reach 15-20 minutes because everywhere was blocked. I will go reach our house around that kind 12 o'clock for midnight. We come down that day. We day with her because the next day, now the birthday, we have to join her, do everything, cook and everything. We stay throughout the night. She go inside bed, go sleep. Me, my wife, and my younger sister, we did inside kitchen throughout that night. Till the next morning, go reach around that kind 12, 1, 2 o'clock. We see the kitchen. Why? Because she cook a lot of food. She cook food, full ground, like saying at the food Pamplona they come. Pepper soup, full ground. Drink day for it, everything day. Normally, I call the things okay. She invite a lot of people for she to cook 2 bags of rice, cook 1 big pot of pepper soup with full goats. I call the reason as okay, that means people plenty when she invite. Then we come day, they do the things. In the morning of that day when they celebrate the birthday on the 12th of July, a baby papa sister come. She come see the airports, they do 1 or 2 for there. Now the rice will remain. Now baby papa sister cook am. She spoiled the rice not done, no salt, no maggi, nothing. Full big pot of rice. Now that baby papa sister cook when she spoiled. We not care. So the other one, my woman and my sister come arrange the other one. Because now 2 bags they cook. The woman spoil 1 bag of rice. Now the woman they cook, the woman see they make, the woman see they mock her for kitchen. I waka can jam the woman. The woman they talk to person for phone. They talk safe now by force. They tell they marry. She they talk anyhow for inside kitchen about Sarah to Uzobiomokpa. Now after all set are done, we don't cook finish everything don't arrange everybody don't bath. Now we come the wait make people come make party start. Now so we wait to go reach around 7 o'clock in the evening. Party never see start, people never come. 8 o'clock, people never see come. 9 o'clock, people never see come. Nobody don't come. Apart from me, my wife and children, and my sister, her husband, and her children. And her husband, friend, will follow and come. Now let us just stay there. Go reach around 9 o'clock that day. So now, they call the one that say, people we invite never come. You go say they go come, they go come, they go come. Really? Now sharp. Nobody come. Which you don't suppose make the cut cake. A lot of us say that day delay before they cut that picking cake. When we see say people not come, I ask her, say, Wetin dey sup? He say maybe they go come later, and so this, and so that, and so invite this, and so invite that, and invite many people. And really, people not come. Nobody enter there. The only one person will come there. Now one woman with a pikin. Now my friend, wife. That my friend not fit come. His wife can come. Now I be the only person will be neutral person for them. Will come from the party. Now once you say nobody come 9:30, now we come begin to start the party. They cut cake. So after when they cut cake, my own son, my small boy of 2 years plus, come they cry. Maybe he don't feel sleep. Now I know say children won't sleep. You don't see that chance sleep. You go begin cry. So as one snap picture, do video, the little boy come they cry. Even for the first day when we enter that house, my sister, my junior sister is aware. Even she's herself is aware. My own son, that my small boy, he don't like that house at all. As we step into that house, that pikin begin cry. My people, I beg, if you carry pikin, your own pikin, this is an advice to every one of you. If you carry your pikin, go somewhere or go visit person, and that your pikin a small baby, it begin cry. You'll know say something is wrong in that place. That pikin, they give us sign. We don't know. Because that pikin cry throughout when we go that house. Now pikin when I born with them, mean not they cry. You not get time to they cry like that. Children they cry normally, go see normally. But say go yours they cry. You'll see better, not saying I'm hungry or anything. It's like the pikin is not comfortable or something they when they see when not like. Because children they see. Though that pikin cry for that house throughout the day when we come and the next day when be the party. Go reach one snap picture, do cut cake. That pikin no want cut cake with that small boy when they do birthday. The video is there. My own son refused to snap picture or to stay. Make the cut cake. My son don't do 1 year old birthday, don't do 2 years old birthday. They snap picture where they do video with the video and where. Yes. The pikin not agree. My son not they happy. Now cry. Something I can't tell mother, say, make carry on. My wife, I tell her, say, make carry on. Make go pet and like say, now sleep. They worry this pikin. Make it carry on, go sleep. Not even know, say, not be sleep. That pikin, they feel something. When be say something won't go wrong. But we don't know. Because some children that they see, that they know what they go on. Wish you, the parents, not go even notice. Now, the pikin refused to snap picture with Uzobiomokpa pikin. My pikin refused to stay, made a snap picture together. He was not happy. He was always crying. His mother come carry and come out from parlor to passage. Sure that you understand. Our mother carry her from parlor to passage. Make she go pet her so that we feel continue what they do for parlor. Now, the video where Sarah they post and the picture. Now I want to explain for us. So how come about that picture and that video? When my wife carry my son, go the pet am, they clean. Normally, the pikin they cry. Tears they come out. If na small pikin, even though say old dog or say spit, join that one are normal. Na small pikin. As they cry, so both tears and all his face don't full mouth. His mama call they use towel where they clean am. Carry and go corner, go the clean am. Not knowing say Sarah carry video, go the video round because she get plan for future. The matter said that pikin not allow to snap or do video with Sarah pikin. If mama carry and come out for there, they go the pet and they clean his face. Sarah still come out video and which we not know. If not be the video where she post, we for not know say she get this kind of thing for mind. Or she go fit do this kind of thing. Make una they listen. Her sister the wicked though. This one a pikin when I carry. With my wife, I carry my children, come your house, make them come celebrate 1 year birthday. Then you get mine, go video the pikin when they cry. Not be even the parlor for the cry. For passage, you go video and keep the video. Me, you want to do saga with me. I don't do birthday of 1 year. I get 2 children. I don't do birthday for them more than 3-4 times. You never come one day. Wish you know they come. But when you born, we dey with you. When you do birthday, I dey with you. Now me spend money, not be you give me money when I spend for the expenses. Now you get mad video the pikin when they cry to the extent that the woman will stay the dormant OZ wife for Pamplona. Now let she be the person when it come that birthday as invitees. Only she. The rest na family member. Only the person will come as invitees. They dormant. You know mind. You video the girl and the pikin join my own wife and my pikin. Just because of say, in mama they clean the pikin face because of tears. When the pikin take the cry. You video and you keep on when you want to do saga because of you don't already get evil mind or you don't get something for mind when you plan for ground. You not reason the stress when we take come or the good when we do for you. But based on your mind not good right from time. And we not even know say now because of that one, you beg. Make I bring my wife and children. When you born, my wife not enter there. She say she not they come. Now let me go there. She say she not they come. She not go carry her pikin come. That's why when you want to do birthday, you beg her to get send that you call, make her give her a phone. You see send record. If not lie, now can't use that your pikin head. They swear. If everything at the top now lie. It blessing my wife. No, that's why I say no one go that birthday. Bless say she know. She say she not go. But I beg her, you yourself beg her for phone. Make she come. And when she come, bring children come. You can't get time. Go video where pikin they cry. Go keep on. Say you want to do saga. That means you don't plan this saga for a long time. For you to join Rita, they fight your own sister children. I quarrel you. You say because of that one you want saga me. Because they post picture, they write RIP. Now so you do and we throw mat to palace. I quarrel with you. You come out because of that one. They insult my own innocent children. Because of say I do video, say we not send you all those things when they do. Your papa not send you, your brothers or sister, no one send you. Anything when you see, make you bear on. Because of that one, you come out, come insult your own pikin. I still forgive you. This will not be the first time, not be the second time, not be the third time when they do this thing. Now, you video that video keep, when small pikin of 2 years old, they cry. You video and keep. Say you want use and do saga. The mama will bring the children, will help you throughout the day. You they sleep. Throughout that day, when Congo reach the next day, on Saturday, on Friday, Saturday, she not sleep for that 2 days. On Sunday, she begin wash pot and plate. Even on Monday, when won't come out, the remaining things will remain. She wash everything, clean out your house before we come out. You even they tell her, me she rest. Me she leave and you go down. She say, no, me she go down. Now she do everything. Then you get mad, video and video begin. Go keep on. You know my say, only invitees, when it come your picking birthday, show for the video. You still get mad post time. You see the reason why people they run from you. You see the reason why you be the real Oyomba. Me, the word updates they declare today. Say you be the real Oyomba. As you be so, anything will concern you and your pikin, you not go ever concern this family again. Go and mark my word. All the record, everything, they will start to play them one by one. When I take quarrel with you, say me, you know, the trauma to palace. Because of that one, insult my own innocent children. Now your children, your pikin, now you insult. Not be my pikin. Now you keep the video. Problem never even start to. I never even get issue with you. Because of say you call me. They talk anyhow for phone. Say, na so Rita, they saga me for that side. Na so this, na so that. Now I tell her, say, if she saga me, I go saga her. You begin talk anyhow. Then I tell her, say, so you they join Rita. They fight your own sister children because of so na two not they play. Na two get quarrel. And now you see cause quarrel between me and that one. Because wait till you do that one, I make that one bring your pikin out when you newborn. When I kick against them, we cause quarrel for me and that one. Me and I not get any issue. Now you see cause the problem. Because you first go bring the pikin out. That's why when you born, you bring your pikin out, can't saga you. But I was not happy with it. Because I know if say two sisters they quarrel, they made me as a brother, your day they look. Now I try make settlement. But Vera say no go agree, say me they support you. When you do, me not talk to you. Now, if they do you, me they talk to them. And which way you do that time, I quarrel with you as well. Now I cause quarrel between me and Vera. Now they say you, now it first start to drag this family out. Normally, we know say no family, they perfect. There must be bad head for family. So the bad head when they the family, now be say right to her. Itohan name Itohan. That name na opposite Itohan. She not get Itohan for her mind. She not get anything pity for her mind. She not the pity anybody. She get evil mind. Person will go get my bring children. Innocent children where this girl don't bring come out humiliate. Now they worry and now those children head. They worry and they worry young picking when born now. And the palace when go throw mat go give. Now those costs they worry and we be so now the same for social media. They man up and down like man dog. Now you video and keep because of your godmother or your friend. When you buy babysitter for your pikin, you use and turn to wheelchair. Rita, when they fight for, because of Rita, they fight me and your own sister children. Now, the same Rita, you say you use straw to suck your pikin blood or his sangue. You be say cause quarrel for now, the woman can't cry. Now, the same woman, now can't be friend. When you they fight your own family for, and you say the woman don't forgive you. When you talk, say you use straw to suck your children blood, you dry them. You write RYP for children pictures and all. Now the same woman you fight your family and your sister children for. And now the same woman Rita Kokobiri. Now the same woman buy babysitter for you. Use and turn to wheelchair for your pikin. Your pikin don't go 1 month and 1 year and 3 months. Your pikin not they stand, you know they work, not they do anything. Now later when I talk you mumu come out, come video the pikin. When you video the pikin, the whole world not really say not be like talk. I never talk anything about you. If I ready to disqualify you, your mind go day. You when the old world don't abandon, only family be see they raise you, they pity you. All those people, they Kokobri when they fight for so, they not they help you. If you dey problem now, we they call. If you need money now, me go call. Your baby father Igbo man, when shop money when you walk. For 1 year plus, the Igbo man can chop on that 3 months, give you belly, run, leave you, frustrate you. Even come out, say not being born that picking, make you go do DNA. You never use this pepper body to sakaram. Now family body, now for the get part, because right from time, now family matter you take come out. Without family, not do you anything. You say now so you take care of family. Who you take care of, who you pay school fees for, who you pay house rent for, who you build house for, who you carry come abroad, who you save family, who you can't money give. May they do business or may they learn work. I learn work myself. I open my own store myself. Now 100 euro you give me when I open store. That 2007, right? 2007 or 2008 when I open my store. Now 100 euro you give me then. 100 euro nourish me even to buy anything. You buy my working things. Aluminium now learn. Who you help for the family? You come and say now the family wreck you. All the men will frustrate you. They still there alive, they get wife and children. Even the one where you buy motor for sighting, now the motor is still they carry wife and children up to tomorrow. Brand new motor now you buy for her. Now still the motor is still they use to they carry wife and children. Even they come Pamplona when you did there from San Sebastian to Pamplona, you they see them. Men when you use your money for, you not see the whole. Igbo man when frustrates you, you not see Igbo man family whole. You can't say now your own family, now you won't come the disgrace. Now yourself you the disgrace. Because people when they measure their name, I get wife and children. The rest of my sisters get husband and children. Now only you, now they single, not get boyfriend, not get husband. Now only you frustrate, now only you depressed. So now yourself you the fool, and yourself you the disgrace. No man on earth go carry you. All those go biri Senegal, when they carry, when they smell, when we enter your house, that the Senegal smell still dey your house. When we come on Friday, on the 11th of July, on the 12th of July was your son's birthday. That 11, 12, 13. Before we come out, Kokobiri smell. No, I don't say Kokobiri get their own order. If they enter place, you go no say they enter. Kokobiri smell still there your house. Man, we come knock you join house before we come. The smell still there. Kokobiri smell. Everybody knows say Kokobiri get their own perfume. Not be say I not say that they smell. Oh, they get their own smelly odor. When be say if they enter place 1 week, that smell not come out. We still come meet that Kokobiri smell. Now perfume take cure am. Open the own windows and door down. Apart from all those Gogobiri, we call the knock you, no Nigerian man will ever carry you because they don't see you frustrated and depressed. Igbo man, when you born for, when you do your pikin birthday, you not get any amount we give you. Nothing give you. You go buy sandals, we be say the pikin not go fit wear next 10 years. Sandals so that they sell 7 euro 99 cents. Now you buy. Can't they do gift for a pikin? You not pay, you not do anything, not give you any money, you not contribute for the pikin birthday. At the end of the day, now you pack more than 20-something Guinness. Carry, give his sister, may go give the Igbo boy for house. You pack malt, food, pepper soup, rice. So they go bring patineti. Your baby father, sister, pikin. Now there are 3. Now I come pack. I mean, there are 2, sorry. 2 of them. And their mama make it 3. Now they use bag. All of them carry fufu bag. Pepper soup, rice, drink. You pack more than 20-something Guinness. May go give your baby father. The same baby father will frustrate you. You pack rice, pepper soup, malt. Everything you pack and give the sister, may go give him. Now the same baby father will come, they go carry the pikin, go give him for junction. That same birthday, when he bring the sandals, only one sandals when he buy. Sandals when pikin go reach 9 years, 10 years before he go to wear. Oversize, now he buy for him. They carry the pikin, go see give him for junction, his sister. And at the man frustrates you, you don't see anything do. The man will frustrate you, put you for this problem when you day. Will be saying, I beg the beg now. To chop now your problem. Every time, give me urgent 30 euro. Lucky la 30 euro, man, la 50 euro, man. The record for my phone. When they say, now me, they help. Me, when you they help, your land when you buy 15, 16 years ago, only land when you buy, when you they build, when you not build. Now me buying for your hand last year, 2024. This kind of time, last year. Now I'm buying. No, it's like May, June. Now I take buying last year. I buy and I pay you cash. Your only property when you get for your life, when you buy, when you build, when you form so you they build for 16 years. Now me when you say not get work, you not they do anything. Now me buying. You not get anything for house, home and abroad. House so you tell the brag say now you get. Now for 400 they pay for house rent. Mortgage don't spoil. Now house rent you can't pay. Not you get house. If not lie, now bring paper of the house. So when you take buy house or when your name take they say now you get the house. Now only contract you go see bring. When you take they pay for 400 for month end for your normal rent for rent. You understand? Not be 400 they pay for pay before as mortgage, no. But now everything's spoiled and 400 you can't pay as rent. It's no longer your house. You don't get house. When you take the brag. You say you get house, you get car, you get paper, you get driving license. No man carry. After you don't do saga finish, you sit there where you dey. Only you. Now go sit there and you're picking. Nobody around you. Nobody they agree they near you. For the full city, Pamplona, as a big rich, as Pamplona people like party rich, you do birthday for your son 1 year. Nobody come. All the people when you invite, they not come because they look you say you be Ogyonpa. Ogyonpa when Variana Variave. That means they not come. Now, only person will come there. You not mind say a video in your picture and the picking show. You put and join my own picking picture when you go post. My people make una see the way some people wicked though. That means she not the plan for this saga for a long time. Because if she not the plan for this saga for a long time, I see no reason. When Sarah go video my own picking when they cry. Not be even inside parlor, inside the passage. She video and go keep. Because she don't the plan and say she wants saga the family. Now make she talk say make I bring my wife and my children. Because she don't already get them for mind. My people, make una beware of some wicked brothers and sisters for this life. Sarah, you don't tell me they drag this family, not be today. At the end of the day, now you, now see they suffer the punishment. Not be the family. Now you and yourself in the disgrace. Go and look at your baby father. All of them, they laugh you, say, thank God. Say they not continue life with you. This one at the beginning of your frustration and at the beginning of your problem. You never even see anything, no. You go depressed by we are for you to carry people. I get a lot of record when I tell the quarrel with you. Not post people shoot and they pour RIP. You go send record back to insult yourself and your picking because I quarrel you. If you do anything, you say nobody they fit talk to you. Nobody they fit talk to you. Since nobody they fit talk to you, only you now. You go carry your cross. Yes. Anything will concern this family, not concern you again. If you like, drag the family, not be today start time. Now family matter, now you take comments for people who know you. You come and, hey, family, oh. But at the end of the day, the 2 page when you use and grow, where the page today, all of them go down. All the page where you use the matter grow, all of them go down, disappear. Nowhere to be found. Serati boss is nowhere to be found. Go, and whether you see the page. It's nowhere to be found. This one at the beginning of your downfall. For you to get my video, my own picking. For you to get my go RIP for your picking picture, not be my own picking. After all I've done for you. Your own picking birthday, now me pay for the cake. Can't use your picking head swear. You not get money for cake. Now me pay for that cake when they do for your picking when you cut. I spend a lot of money. When we enter supermarket after I don't pay for the cake, I spend other 48 euro for things when you buy. You not get money, now me pay. You tell me say you not get money, but you get it when you want. But I say more they go. I pay for it 48 euro plus. Cake money, now me pay. When we still reach us, you send me go buy something like 2 times. I use my money pay. If not lie they talk, use that your picking head to swear. Use and swear for me, use and swear for yourself. But at the end of the day, both money when I spend, ticket and everything, you come out, come join on other people. They fight me. Anything, problem never even start. You don't bring my wife and my picking, the right RIP. The video, when you video them for your own picking party, you see the reason why people don't call your party. You video them. Video when you video for them. Now you can still use the saga them. Where small picking they cry. A lot of people know my picking. Anybody who don't see my children, that they dread, that they say, bro, this woman, you try for this children find that they okay, you know. Ask Jesse William in Bilbao. Now social media presenter. She know me, she know my wife and children. Jesse William. There's one woman who go to buy something for Africa shop here, for Bilbao here. She know me, my wife and my children, they go there. If we reach there, when my wife go buy something there, the woman laugh. That was yesterday. The woman laugh, say, Heeey, Wetin, Uzobiomokpa, they talk. He say, I wish you don't know your children. Now, I will say the truth. He say, some people, they lie, sha. He say, your children will be say, if they come my store, I go to jealous, say, those are our children. He say, now they use math, they spoil their name. He say, people, they lie. All those are the people who know me, know my children. You understand so? So you come out, come talk all sort of lie. Video my own picking. For birthday, when your own picking do, you can't use until the saga my own children and my wife and me. When be say I never first saga you. Because of you, when you do birthday, Rita not there. They not help you. They not even give you money, help you. They not get what they do. If you get problem, you know they call them, and me they call. But now you they join them. They fight me. I never ever do video for you. You come out, do video for me, insult me and your children, your picking. The next thing, you bring out my wife and my picking picture, the right arrow. Yourself and your picking picture, the right RIP put. The whole world don't know you. What a shame. You will do birthday, nobody agree come. Food spoil. Everything spoil. Nobody come. Only one person when you still come the birthday. A picture done the outside. You see the reason why people they run from you. Only you now don't become nobody they agree near you. Nobody they agree talk to you. Everybody abandon you. You be abandoned projects. Abandoned human being now you be. So you still come out. You not get what you want to talk when people go believe you. Because they know say you don't demand already. You not they normal. People know. The palace all love. Ebonijo mohia mugwe. When you take the swear for children, take the right RIP. Now those children head, they worry you. And family, when they drag come out every day, the family, they worry you also. You go see what will happen to you anytime from now. The one will happen to Vera, now small thing, you now. I don't, me. Now so I come out declare, say Vera is no longer in this family. Since when I decide to disgrace myself, as you disgrace yourself, I'll come out for the family. Because I'm the father of the house. Now understand, I'm the man of the family. Now, I dey talk for today, you, Sarah Itohan, Uzobiomokpa, you are no longer in this family again. Now, when in family, as I pursue you, banish you, come out for this family, so you are me not dekunwe anytime from now. You will see what will happen to you. Then your mind go day. The word of this say so. As I don't come out for this family, totally, the way I come out Vera. Now, anything when you see me Vera, you see the life when Vera they live now, right? You see how then you will not say I not be your mate. Your own go worst past Vera on. Your condition go worst past Vera on. Go and mark my word. As far as I don't declare today, say you not be part of this family again. As far as you decide to disgrace yourself, now family matter you take come out right from time. Now I see they buy you, they go. So anything you drag family, people will frustrate you, not if you go talk to them. Igbo man will frustrate you, they there, they live your life, they carry other women. The other woman don't see born for that Igbo boy. You not feel do anything. Now family, now you get power to drag. So from today, you go know. If outside they pursue you good, but if inside house they pursue you, your own don't finish. Now, anything we see me better. My people, make una share this video. Make everybody see am.